Yolanda, how you doing today?
Fantastic.
You still excited?
Ecstatic.
Okay. So I know you picked up your brand new car yesterday, the Volkswagen Atlas. You had it for about 24 hours. How you like it so far?
I love it.
Okay, that's what's up. So what motivated you to get your credit repaired?
You know, there are people have needs and people have wants. I wanted a new car. So my motivation came from me just wanting a new car, something that I thought I deserved. A little bit higher level of level automobile for me.
Okay. Higher level of class, or what they call luxury, if you will.
Absolutely.
Okay, don't be afraid to say it. Just jump out and say it.
Yeah.
Were you hesitant initially to pay to get it done?
Yes, I was. And I think my hesitation came about mainly because it was more of a want and not a need. So I just got to the point where that want kind of built up in me. So I wanted to jump right on it. I knew I needed to get my credit repaired to accomplish the goal of having a luxury car. So I just went on and paid for the service.
Okay. Now I hear a lot of clients or potential clients now, they're real hesitant. If it's if they don't want to pay at all, then it's also sometimes they talk about the fee. Now, whether it's, whatever the fee is, we're not gonna talk about what you actually paid, but was it worth it?
Absolutely. I got what I wanted. So it was worth it.
And did it take a long period of time?
It did not.
Okay. I believe we went to the dealership yesterday and the guy said, "You want to take it home today?"
Yes. Yes.
Right.
And I opted to say yes.
And that's exactly what you did. Okay. How many of your friends, family, and colleagues could actually benefit and utilize these services?
99% of friends, family, colleagues, 99% of the people I know could benefit.
Wow. So 99% of the people you know got bad credit.
Hey, I said they can benefit.
Okay. Now I'm making a joke here, but sometimes we talk about financial things, right?
Mm-hmm.
We don't want to share our situation with others because we're afraid of how they're gonna look at us. We're afraid that we have an image that would be tarnished if people knew that we had some trouble with our credit. But if you're drowning and you don't yell, nobody will know, right?
Absolutely.
If you need help, you can't keep it to yourself. You have to really seek the help that you desire that's going to make your situation better.
Right.
And people like yourself, one of the reasons why we're doing this video is because we want others to know that help is out there if you can really get it.
Options.
Exactly. And for you to get the help and keep it to yourself is really criminal. Mm-hmm. Right?
Correct.
It's criminal not to share your experience so that others can say, okay, wow, there is a solution. I can get help too.
You're right.
All right?
Yes.
What would you say to those who are on the fence about paying? They're trying to justify the cost, trying to debate whether or not it's actually worth it, like the results are going to be worth them paying to get it done?
Just do it. It's just as simple as that. It worked pretty quickly for me. I knew for a long time I had this want, but I didn't move on it. Just did it, and I was able to just get that one a lot more quickly than I anticipated originally. So I would just say, just do it. No questions asked.
Okay. My final question, Yolanda, is what's next for you, right? You already own a home, you've been a homeowner for a while, you got this spanking clean new car. Like, what's next for you? What, you know, what's next on your list to check off?
They say the sky is the limit, right?
Yes.
So just maintaining so that I can have the ability to do what it is I want to do when I want to do it.
Ooh, I love that answer, right? Because anybody can get good credit, but only the responsible and disciplined person maintains it over a period of time,
Correct.
right?
Yes.
In this business, we're not looking for repeat customers.
That's not a good, no, that's not good.
Right? We just
Yes.
want to fix it, correct it, get it perfect, and then deal with new people,
Yes.
right?
It feels good to be able to just walk into anywhere and get what it is that you want and not
Mhm.
have anybody tell you, you know what, you have to wait. It just feels good. So I want to keep that going. I don't want anybody to tell me what it is I cannot have or for me to settle for less.
Wow. Okay. Well, definitely appreciate your time, and you continue to enjoy this new car.
I will.